But they never even saw us.
Then stop waiting. Connect with creators who have their attention.
Tomorrow we launch, but who will discover us?
Let's stop guessing. Find creators with matching audiences.
Brands need the right connections. Discover India's newest platform.
We spent weeks creating this. Why is nobody talking about it?
Because attention isn't enough. Trust matters. Let's connect with creators. Discover a new way for Indian brands to find partnerships. How can we have such a good product and still be invisible?
Stop trying to reach everyone. Find creators who already speak to your customers.
Can help brands find the right creator connections. But today's customers don't know our story.
Then let's take your story to creators. They can introduce it
To the right audience. It's time for your story to reach the people who matter. They loved our product, but forgot our brand the next day.
Then we need trusted creators telling our story.
Not advertisements. Put your brand in the right conversations today.